Hi children, good morning. Today let us start class, social science class for 7th standard children. Topic is Vijayanagar Empire. In previous class already I have started this Sangama dynasty children, and next Salva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty and Aravidu dynasty. Let us learn children. Okay? Let us start the lesson. He had the titles like Gaja, Ventigra, Chatusamudreshwara, Ariraya Vibhada. After his death in 1446 CE, his son Mallikarjuna 1446 to 1465, and then Virupaksha III 1465 to 1485 CE ruled Vijayanagara. See here, after Praudadevaraya. Yesterday in previous class you have learned about Praudadevaraya. He has got the title like Gaja Ventigra and Chatusamudreshwara and Ari Raya Vibhada. After his death in 1446, he died in 1446. After his death, his son Mallikarjuna ruled here 1446 to 1465. He ruled, and then Virupaksha III ruled 1465 to 1485 CE, ruled Vijayanagara. These were weak rulers, and because of this, a strong commander, Salva Narasimha, captured the capital. These are Mallikarjuna and Virupaksha III are weak rulers. So they were weak rulers. Because of this, strong commander of Vijayanagara is Salva Narasimha. He captured the capital, and with this incident the rule of Sangama dynasty ended in 1485. In 1485 Sangama dynasty is ended. After Salva dynasty came into existence in 1485 to 1505 CE. After taking over the power in 1485 CE, Salva Narasimha ruled for 6 years and died in 1491 CE. After taking the power of from Sangama dynasty, Salva Narasimha ruled for 6 years. How many years? 6 years he ruled, and he died in 1491 CE. His children were minors when he died, and because of his kingdom was in the protection of commander called Tuluva Narasanayaka from 1419 to 1503. After the 6th year, he died in 1491. His children were minors. They can't rule. When he died, because of this, kingdom was protection by commander called Tuluva Narasanayaka from 1491 to 1503. Next, Tuluva dynasty came into existence from 1505 to 1567 CE. In 1505 CE, Veera Narasimha, son of Tuluva Narasanayaka, started the rule of Tuluva dynasty. Veera Narasimha, he was the son of Tuluva Narasanayaka, started his rule Tuluva dynasty. After his death in 1509, his brother Krishnadevaraya came to power. After the death of which one? Veera Narasimha. After the death of Veera Narasimha, his brother Krishnadevaraya came to power. Krishnadevaraya 1509 to 1529. He ruled for 20 years. How many years? 20 years. He was the famous and greatest king among other Vijayanagara kings. He was a famous and greatest king of Vijayanagara kings. At the initial years of his rule, he had to face many revolts. Robert Sewell stated that Krishnadevaraya was an uncommon brave king, intelligent soldier, diplomatic expert. He defeated his enemies and extended his empire in South India. Robert Sewell. Who is Robert Sewell? Robert Sewell is a British officer. What he stated, Krishnadevaraya was a uncommon brave king. He was a very brave king, intelligent soldier, diplomatic expert. He defeated his enemies and extended his empire in South India. In South India, he expanded his empire. He seized Shivanasamudra fort from Umattur chief Gangaraja in 1510 CE. Later, he won Raichur fort. He supported Portuguese to capture Goa from Vijayapura Sultan. In 1513 CE, he won Udayagiri fort. Then in 1518 CE, he captured Calcutta, Cuttack, and capital of Ganapati Pratapa Rudra, a Kalinga king, by defeating him and married his daughter Jagan Mohini. Krishnadevaraya, he captured many forts, Raichur forts, and also many forts. He supported Portuguese to capture Goa from Vijayapura Sultan, and he won Udayagiri fort. Then in 1518, and he captured Cuttack and the capital of Ganapati Prataparudra, a Kalinga king. By defeating him, Kalinga Prataparudra, Ganapati Prataparudra, he is a Kalinga king. He defeated him and he married his daughter. Who is his daughter? Jagan Mohini. Okay, children. See here, in 1522 CE, he recaptured Raichur from the king of Adil Shah. After 1522, he recaptured Raichur from the Adil Shah, Ismail Adil Khan. Later, he captured Kalburgi, Bidar forts. Later, he also captured Kalburgi and Bidar forts. He got realized the son of king who was imprisoned by Bahmani Prime Minister, and restored him to power in Bidar, and he got released. The son of king who was imprisoned, Bahmani Prime Minister was imprisoned, no, he released them and restored the power in Bidar. For this, he got a title Yavana Rajya Pratishta Panchacharya. Vijayanagara kingdom was expanded in all over four directions. Vijayanagara empire was expanded all over the four directions. At the time of his death in 1529, Dumango Poise, who visited his kingdom, stated Krishnadevaraya was a soft person with a strong body in his book. Dumango Poise, who visited kingdom, who is a foreigner, he stated that Krishnadevaraya was a soft person with a strong body in his book. Next, come to the Rakasa Tangadi battle. After Krishnadevaraya, Achyutaraya 1530 to 1542 and Sadashivaraya 1543 to 1565 ruled Vijayanagara. After Krishnadevaraya, Achyutaraya and Sadashivaraya ruled Vijayanagara. Since Sadashivaraya was a minor and unable to rule, Ramaraya of Aravidu dynasty, son-in-law of Krishnadevaraya, took the whole responsibility of administration, and his diplomacy expanded Vijayanagara kingdom and made it rich. The number of enemies also increased. After Krishnadevaraya, Achyutaraya and Sadashivaraya came to rule the Vijayanagara. Since Sadashivaraya was a minor and unable to rule, Ramaraya of Aravidu dynasty ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ. ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯನ ಅಳಿಯ ಯಾರು, ರಾಮರಾಯ. ಅವರು ಏನು ಫುಲ್ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು, ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿನ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನೂ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ಮು, ತುಂಬ ರಿಚ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರು, ಅಂದರೆ ಶತ್ರುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರು. ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಸುಲ್ತಾನೇಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಆಫ್ಟನ್ ಟು ಅವೆಂಜ್ Ramaraya captured Vijayapura and Golconda and this caused the war. Deccan Sultanates ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದರು ವಿಜಯನಗರವನ್ನು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ರಾಮರಾಯ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ವಿಜಯಪುರವನ್ನು. ರಾಮರಾಯ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಲ್ಕೊಂಡನ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಈ ವಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಲ್ ಸುಲ್ತಾನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವಿತ್ ಜೆಲಸ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಟ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಚ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಜಯನಗರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಲ್ತಾನೇಟ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಜಲಸ್ಸಿಯಾಗಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯನಗರ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಫೀಟ್ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ದೇ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್. ವಿಜಯನಗರವನ್ನು ಡಿಫೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು, ಯುನೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಗೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು.